What do you think dinosaurs sounded like? Now, that question might seem impossible to answer without a time machine. But for certain species, like parasaurolophus here, we can make an educated guess. Parasaurolophus was one of the hadrosaurs, also known as the duck-billed dinosaurs. And hadrosaurs were known for having a variety of beautiful, varied crests. And on parasaurolophus here, the crest, it's a long, bony tube structure. Now, over the years, paleontologists, the people who study fossils, they have looked at these crests and they have thought perhaps they used them to make noise, to make distinctive vocalizations. Some paleontologists have worked with computer scientists to try and figure it out. They've made 3D scans of hadrosaur skulls and run simulations that recreate what parasaurolophus might have sounded like. Another really helpful way to approach this is to look at the modern-day descendants of extinct animals. So in the case of dinosaurs, that is the birds. When the Manitoba Museum last updated this exhibit, our curator at the time looked at research that suggested that hadrosaurs may have sounded like the cassowary. Now, the cassowary is a modern, large flightless bird that lives in tropical forests in the southern hemisphere, and they are known for their large distinctive crests, like hadrosaurs. So, when I press this button here, the sound that you hear is actually a recording of a cassowary that has been slowed down and EQ'd a little differently to make it sound like a larger animal. Now, the really cool thing is, if you compare the sound of that modified cassowary recording to the computer simulations that other institutions came up with, the sounds are very similar. So the next time you come to the Manitoba Museum, make sure to visit the Earth History Gallery and come press this button to find out for yourself what Parasaurolophus might have sounded like. I also encourage you, as you go through this gallery, to look at the fossils of other extinct animals and try and guess what they might have sounded like. Think about what are their modern-day descendants, what animals today are around that might sound similar.